If Telegram is not showing images or videos on your iPhone and media won't load, stay blurry, or don't open, don't worry. I'll show you step by step how to fix it. Let's get started with some basic solutions. First, check your internet connection. Try to switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. If you're using a VPN or proxy app, turn it off and ensure you're on the latest version. If that does not work, then follow these advanced solutions. Step 1. Check Telegram app permissions. Go to your iPhone settings. Scroll down to the bottom and tap Apps. Then go to Telegram. Make sure Photos, Mobile Data are enabled and Background App Refresh is enabled. Without photo access, Telegram can't display downloaded images or videos. Step 2. Clear Telegram's media cache. Go to iPhone settings, then tap General. Now go to iPhone storage. Find Telegram in the list. Tap Offload app. This removes the app but keeps your data. Tap Reinstall app. This clears out technical glitches. Step 3. Check automatic media download settings. Go to Telegram settings, then go to Data and Storage. Under Automatic Media Download, now tap Using Cellular and turn on Auto Media Download. Scroll down and ensure the photos and videos toggles are all switched on. Now tap Using Wi-Fi and turn on Auto Media Download. Scroll down and ensure the photos and videos toggles are all switched on. Step 4. Check sensitive content. Apple's sensitive content filter might be hiding them at the system level. This can only be toggled via the web. Open Safari. Search web.telegram.org. Log in there, go to Settings. After that, go to Privacy and Security. Find sensitive content and check the box for Disable Filtering. Force quit and restart the app on your iPhone. Solution 5. Reset network settings. Go to iPhone settings, then go to General. Scroll down and tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Now tap Reset. Select Reset network settings. This won't delete your data, but it will reset all network connections. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Telegram and iPhone fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.